Let's move with wonder today. Let's begin. Raise your arms up. Breathe in. Exhale. Squat down just a little bit. And flow. Exhale. Breathe in and out. I assure you there will be elements of strength, balance, mobility in today's session. But let's move with a sense of awe and wonder. Just feel your arms, your knees as you bend with this sense of joy, wonder, and awe. Be curious about what you can't do. Do what you can and keep showing up every day. And gradually you'll do more and more. One more here. Just wake up your shoulders, upper back, and just swing your arms backwards and forwards. Begin to look to the side, generate some mobility in the neck, and just notice what you see. Be in awe of whatever it is, those everyday items you see all the time. Can you see them with a beginner's mind? With awe and wonder. Wow, look at that bookcase. Wow, look at that tree. Whatever it might be. Incredible awe and wonder. Ooh, just circle the arms for a moment. Shake it out just a little bit. Reverse those circles just for a moment here. Okay, a real full body movement. We're gonna squat down just a bit. Roll your shoulders back. Squat down. Great mobility in our legs. Strength. Upper body. Mobility as well. Breathe in and out. Get down a little deeper. Roll those shoulders back a little further. Just find that flow. I was very happy about just how much Calvin and Hobbes resonated with our community. I think it is this imagination, sense of wonder and awe. What's real? What's make-believe? Who knows? Yes, the mysteries of it all. So fascinating. When we remove the judgments and the labels, oh, everything becomes incredible, including this simple movement. I can bend my knees. I can roll my shoulders. Wow, it's pretty wonderful. Oh, one more. Oh, great. Arm comes up, heel comes off the ground. Push the other hand down. Whatever pace you'd like to go at. You can breathe into one side, breathe out to the other. We connect to our breath with a sense of wonder. Wow. Wow. Maybe we could go just with a little bit more pace. If you like, you always choose your adventure. It's your journey. Okay, now, very similar, but let's just step a bit to the side and reach up. Very controlled, very mindful movement. Bring some attention into your lower back and see if you can't feel your spine decompressing. Ooh. Feel the lightness of your leg. Feel all the way to your fingertips. You bring this sense of wonder. The littlest of movements can just feel incredible. Okay, last one here. Oh yes, does it feel incredible or what? Now this movement. Sink down just a bit and twist. Sink down, twist. You go as low as you want, twist as deep as you can, but just flow here. Bring all your attention right here into this movement. Like a child and his tiger roaming through the forest. There would be no to-do list. Nowhere to get with the movement, just a sense of, wow, we get to move our bodies. Wow. Oh, one more to each side. Oh, brilliant. Continue to twist. Keep your arms up. Be feeling it in the shoulders. Oh, I wonder when my shoulders will get stronger. My back will become more mobile. There's a sense of wonder. It'll happen. Continue to show up. Oh, really twist into it. Get a little further back. Oh, just a couple more. Oh, do you feel it in the shoulders? I certainly do, but the back feels awfully great after that. Well done. Okay. Just a gentle march. But bring your arms out to the side, open up your chest. Begin to reach back a little further. Bring your shoulder blades together. That mobility, upper back. Keep your head up high. When the knee comes up, we can breathe in. Down, we breathe out. Great for balance, strength here. Oh, one more each side. Yes. Oh, well done. Let's bend a little bit. Hinge at the hips. Bend over. And very gently swing your arms from side to side. And just notice. Bend your knees a little bit so you're nice and comfortable. If you can get a flat back, that's wonderful. Wherever you're at is fine. But just swing your arms from side to side. Maybe they start to come up just a little bit higher. Wiggle your fingers. You can start to bring a heel up off the ground. There's so much happening here. Physically. But more importantly, just move with this. Wow. 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 A couple more here. Oh, great. Simple balance, I think this is. It might not be easy today. You never know. Again, connect to your breath. Pick a spot behind me to give all of your attention to. We're practicing balance. We give focus to one spot. We're so much more effective in maintaining a strong balance. It's that embracing of the simplest of movements. You can hold it a little longer if you want. Continuing to do some of the same movements, that consistency, it's going to help us to improve. If we master this, we'll go on to the next thing. But how about a wow, I can lift my leg. I can balance on one foot. I can swing my arms. Wow. Yes. Oh, practical woo-woo. Oh, last one here. Oh, how about it? Okay, let's pick our spot. Laser-like attention. We're continuing to build on this practice of attention. I'm going to do a simple body weight shift as I pick my spot, swinging my arms, very mindful movement, but keeping my eyes locked on one spot, noticing every time distracted and simply coming right back to giving all my attention, all my awareness to that one spot. Let's go together. Well done. Thank you for continuing to show up. I do believe if we move with this sense of wow, everything we do becomes exponentially better. Move through your day with a sense of wonder and awe. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.